Obtaining a Microsoft Excel certification can be a great way to boost your job prospects, especially if you're looking for a role that requires strong Excel skills. Here are some ways in which Excel certification can help you land a job. White heavy checkmark demonstrates proficiency. By obtaining an Excel certification, you demonstrate to potential employers that you have a strong grasp of Excel's fundamental features and can use it to its full potential. This can make you a more attractive candidate, especially for roles that require a high degree of data analysis and management. White heavy checkmark differentiates you from other candidates. In today's competitive job market, it's important to stand out from other candidates. Having a Microsoft Excel certification can help you differentiate yourself and demonstrate that you have the skills needed to excel in a particular role. White heavy checkmark increases credibility. A Microsoft Excel certification is a credible way to demonstrate your skills to potential employers. It shows that you have invested time and effort in mastering Excel and that you have been recognized by Microsoft for your proficiency. White heavy checkmark boosts confidence. Having a Microsoft Excel certification can also boost your confidence and give you a sense of achievement. This can help you perform better during job interviews and give you the confidence to take on more challenging tasks in the workplace. White heavy checkmark offers career advancement opportunities. Obtaining a Microsoft Excel certification can open up new career advancement opportunities. It can help you progress to more senior roles as well as increase your earning potential. Overall, obtaining a Microsoft Excel certification can be a valuable investment in your career. It demonstrates your proficiency in Excel and sets you apart from other candidates in the job market. If you're looking to boost your job prospects, consider obtaining a Microsoft Excel certification today. Reach out to us for any queries regarding the certification.